How to contact Pocket Option customer support using the Pocket Option app. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. You can contact the Pocket Option customer support in a few simple ways. First of all, open the Pocket Option application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're inside the home page after logging in, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top left corner. In the expanded menu, you will see the chat option. Just click on that. And now click on the support chat online option. Here, you can go ahead and type in your question. Go to the bottom of the screen and write down your question, and you'll get reply from a support agent or bot quickly, often within minutes. Now the next thing you want to do is to get back to the same profile menu and click on Help. Inside the Help section, you'll see the Support Service option. Just click on that, and on the next page, click on Create a new support request. Choose a specific category corresponding with your issue to view the common solution. Now, after you do that, an expanded pop-up will appear where you can go ahead and narrow your search by selecting another category you need help with, and you'll be provided with common answers related to your questions. If you want to contact the support via email for a detailed issue, then you can send an email to support@pocketoption.com, and then you can reach out to their support via email as well. So those were some of the ways you can contact to the Pocket Option customer support if you ever have issues while operating the platform. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.